Hey guys, this is LP with S&W Service and Repair, and I just want to tell you, man, I love checks now. I used to hate checks when people write checks or wrote checks at the grocery store and all this, taking up all that time. But now I'm like, man, take all the time you want. Write that check out, make that check to S&W Service and Repair. Because, you know, I love Square, and I love all these little old apps that you can, well, I don't use any apps, but I mean, the payment processors, like that's wonderful, and I love that. I think it's great to be able to get that money and then the next day it's in your account. But they take a percentage of that money, man, and I love them checks. So them checks go straight into the bank and then they go straight into your account, and that's smooth, that's easy, and then they don't take any money out of that thing, man. You just pay your bank fees, and if you got over $500 for the maintained balance of the month or whatever they say, you don't even charge you nothing, man. I love them dang gone checks. I hope you learn to appreciate the fine art of handwriting and checks. Get them checks, y'all.